Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about physics. The topic today is about we need to find the resultant of amplitude if we combine two functions together. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we see that this is about sine, this is about cosine. Now if we want to combine two functions together with the same angular frequency, we need to know that they should have the same function. So I will have cosine 8 equals to sine of 90 degrees minus 8. This is the technique to transform cosine into sine. And this one, we will have about sine of 90 degrees minus this one. Because negative a, that is about this one. So we change the side, this one that's about negative and positive 60 degrees. So we simplify this one. And we have negative 240 bt plus 150 degrees. You see that we have the negative on angular frequency. So I want to put this one go outside. So we have the formula in here. So this one, we have negative number 3 sine of 240 bt minus 150 degrees. And now we can apply the formula to find the amplitude of the resulting waveform in here. So that should be about a square equals to a1 square plus a2 square plus 2 a number 1 a number 2, and we have cosine theta number 1 minus theta number 2. So a number 1, I will choose about number 6. A number 2, that is about negative number 3 in here. Theta number 1, that is about this one, 210 degrees minus about this one. So negative and negative, you have positive 150 degrees. So we calculate these numbers, and we have number 9. So a in here, that is about the square root of number 9 equals to number 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.